Hey guys, Silas J here with another Python video. In this video, I'm just going to wrap up everything we've learned about data operators and everything we've learned about them. So, if you're ready, let's do this. So the first operator that we learned was the assignment operator, and that just assigns a value to a variable. So we have my variable, and we're assigning it the value of pi. Pretty simple. That's the assignment operator. Now we have integer operators. We have the plus, subtraction, division, multiplication, mod, and a combination of the two. This is very good for integers. Actually, it really only works on integers. So we have my int 1, and we're going to be assigning it 12 plus 3 minus 5 divided by 2 multiplied by 6. And that would give us, if you could do the math quickly, 15, 10, 5, 30. So that would give us the number 30. And then we could do a quick mod of 7, and that would give us the answer of 2. And if we want to see how good my math is, let's see. Oh yeah, we didn't print it. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, the whole point is it gives us an answer. And the reason it didn't work entirely is because it follows the algebraic system of operations. So division and multiplication come first, and then addition, and then subtraction, and then it would subtract whatever operation this is, and then it would do the mod operation. So I forgot to say that the operations do have a specific order. Like, I can't just add 12 plus 3 to get 15, then 15 minus 5 to get 10, and 10 divided by 2 to get 5, and 5 times 6 to 30, and then, no, it doesn't work that way. It first would do 5 divided by 2, then whatever answer that is, it would give 2 times 6, then it would add 12 plus 3, and then it would get 15 minus whatever answer this is, the whole thing combined, then it would give a mod of 7. So that was my bad. I completely made a mistake there. But hey, I own up to it. Anyway, let's get on to the next. So that's for my integer operations. So that's what we do here. Now we have string operators, and we're just going to create a string, call it my string, and we have the concatenation operator, and the same operator as the integer operator, which, if you don't remember what that one does, practically or essentially, you have the operation and we're assigning a number to it. So we have 4 here, and we're just assigning or adding 4 to my int. But if we did my int 1 and we just did this, my int would still not equal 4 because we're not assigning 4 to this variable. All we're doing is adding 4 to the variable. So if we print to that, we would see that, oh, well, my int plus 4 is, let's say, 4 or 8. But here, we're actually now assigning 4 to my int. So now my int will actually be 8. While here, my int wouldn't be 8, but if we printed it, it would say 8. But if we go later throughout the code, still would just be 4. If that makes sense to you. If it doesn't, practically what I'm trying to say is this assigns 4 to the variable while this does not. It just adds 4. Unless you did the whole longer way. Now this would assign 4 because we have my int, then we add 4, then we assign it to this. But this is a shortcut to this. So you don't have to do it that way. So my string equals water plus fall, and this operator, called the concatenation operator, joins 2 strings together. So the result would be water fall. And if we run this, well, if we printed my string to the terminal, there we go, water fall. And that was kind of simple for the string operators. And the last one we talked about was comparison operators. And I'm not going to get into all of that because, well, it could take a great amount of time again. But essentially, this one compares our two values the same. This one compares our two values opposite or not the same from each other. This one compares our two integers greater. This compares our two integers smaller, or if one's smaller than the other. And if this one compares if an integer is greater, or could be a float, not an integer, if a number is greater or equal to a number. And this one compares if another number is smaller or equal to another number. So that's a quick wrap up on operators and all the different types of operators there are. If you have any specific questions about them, then please ask them in the comment section below. And if you liked the video, please give it a like, and please subscribe for more videos and other tutorials that can be quite helpful and other tips that I use. So, thanks for watching.